Yes, yesterday, just introduction given. Yes, yesterday, day one. Yes, introduction about me and course and nothing discussed. Today we'll start actual class. Today we'll start actual class. 6 p.m. Your batch, day one. Day one. See, today, first, yesterday. Yes, about me, about course. What is prerequisite to learn Java? What are the course contents? So this topic we discussed. All the sticks. Nothing discussed yesterday. Just about course introduction, course contents only discussed. Okay, course contents. Okay, like yes, all that up to this, all that course contents next. Yes, up to Java 13 we'll be discussing. Your course up to Java 8 features, 9 features, 11, 13, up to that we'll discuss. So this is yesterday topic. Yesterday just about course. Okay, yesterday about course discussed. Okay, fine. Okay, yes, let us start today. Today, yes, I'm entering into actual topic. Today entering into actual topic. Yes, Java. Today starting Java. Java. It's first question. What is Java? Simple question. First question, what is Java? Yes, yes, case. Tell me what is your idea about Java? Simple question, very simple question. What is Java? What is your idea about Java? Of course, I'll explain. Don't worry. I'll explain. Just I'm asking your idea. Very simple question. Yes, Sheikh Rezwana. Java is a programming language. Yes, next others. Anyone others? So what is Java? Yes, simple answer. Yes, next one more. Answer. Yes, Aniket. Yes, object-oriented language. Lalita. It's an OOPS language. It's a OOPS language. Next. Okay. So what is Java? What is Java? See, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. Yes. OOP. Yes, OOP stands for yes, object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Simple answer. So what is Java means? Simple answer, it's an object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. So what is Java? Simple answer, object-oriented programming. Java is an OOP language, object-oriented programming language. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Okay. Yes. That is simple answer. Okay. So let us start. Yes. So what is Java? Yes, about Java, let us start. So JDK. Yes, JDK stands for yes, Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Okay. Yes, JDK. Yes, JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, it is a first version. It's a first version of Java. First version of Java released. Yes, released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay. Yes, Java from the sunset. Java from the sunset. Java from the sunset. Sunset. Java from the sunset. Now, yes, now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now Java with Oracle Corp. Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corp. Okay, here that history I'll tell you. So when it was taken over by the Oracle Corporation, that also will discuss. Okay. So JDK 1.0, it is a first version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. Yes, 1995. 1995. 1995. Yes, I know that release. Okay, that release version. 1995. Then 1995. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Yes, engineering second year. I was engineering second year. Engineering second year. 1995. I was in engineering second year. That time I was learning. I was learning C language. I was learning C language. Yes, we have the C language in our second year. Second year we have the C language. Okay. Second year C language. Yes. My engineering, computer science engineering, JNTU. Yes, JNTU Hyderabad. Hyderabad campus. Okay, JNTU Hyderabad. 1995. Yes, engineering second year. Yes, 93 to yes, 93 to yes, 97 complete my engineering. 93, 1993 Giants. Yes, 1997. Yes, came out of this. 93 to 97 my engineering. Okay, after that immediately got the job with Motorola. First initially worked on embedded C. Later in the year 2000 changed to Java. Okay. Yes, 1997. Yes. So joined with Motorola. Joined with yes, immediately got the job. So because of my engineering career, immediately got the job. Yes, 1997 joined with Motorola company. Motorola. Yes, Motorola company. Motorola company. Yes, Motorola company. Motorola company. Okay. So first initially embedded C. Yes. Yes, embedded C. Initially he worked on embedded C. Embedded C. First two projects on embedded C. Yes, embedded C. Yes, two projects on embedded C. First two projects. Yes, first two projects. So later, yes, around 2001, yes, changed to Java field. Changed to Java field. Changed to Java. Okay, changed to Java field. Okay. Yes, 2001 to till date in Java field. Okay, 2001 to till date. Java field. Yes, that's middle 2013 started Hadoop career. Started Hadoop career. Hadoop on Linux. Yes, of course, Linux. Yes, in embedded C itself, I worked on Linux. There only Linux based embedded C, Linux based embedded C. That time. Okay. Yes, 2013 started Hadoop, Hadoop and Big Data Linux area. Started. This is my okay. Yes, profile. Okay, I think yesterday already explained about my profile. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0, it's a first version of Java released in the year 1995. So before Java, okay. Yes. Yes, Santosh, 1 second. Santosh, just a minute. Yeah, this one has to rejoin. Yes, you have to rejoin. Yes, Santosh. Yes, has to rejoin. Has to rejoin the session. Has to rejoin. Santosh Kumari. Santosh Kumar, please rejoin. Yes, rejoin the session. Yes, you are in offline. Yes, you are in offline. You are. Yes, you are in offline. Offline. You are in offline. You have to rejoin. Santosh Kumari has to rejoin. Has to rejoin. You are in offline. You are in offline. Just rejoin. Okay. Yes. So this is JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in the year 1995. It's Java from the sons of Java from the sons of nowadays with Oracle Corporation. Yet that history also I'll tell you. Yes, I have the live experience with Java. Every version of Java I worked. Every version of Java. Yes, before Java releasing markets, already I'm in software. 1995 I was learning C language. Already I was in software. My software career started. Yes, engineering started. Before releasing Java only, my engineering started. Already I was learning C language that time. Yes, we have the C language. Lab is there. Lab, practicals lab is there. But next ways, we have the ways also that year, 1995, second year. Okay, so JDK 1.0. Yes. See here next version. Yes, JDK 1. JDK. See JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, released. JDK 1.0 released. See JDK 1.0. That time JDK 1.0 released lot of publicity. Okay. Yes, that time don't have this much of social media like Facebook. Next, even Gmail also don't have that time. Even Google also don't have. There is no social media that time. Even don't have social media, lot of publicity. JDK released with lot of publicity with these features. Okay, JDK with lot of publicity it was released. Yes, I know that. Okay, I have very good idea. Java release. Okay, yes, JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with the main features of Java. Main features of Java. Main features of Java. Yes, main features of Java. JDK released with main features of Java here. So what are the main features? Main features of Java as below here, as below. Yes, main features. What are the main features here? Okay. Yes, first one, independent of platform, independent of platform, independent of platform, independent of platform. So first one is independent of platform, independent of platform. Yes, we'll discuss. I'll explain. Yes, what is independent of platform? I'll explain. Okay, independent of platform. Next, portability. Yes, portability. Independent of platform. Yes, next portability. 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 One second. Independent of platform. Portability. Next, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, hoop language. Next, fourth one. Yes, scalability. 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 And fifth one, security. Security. Yes, with these features released. So first JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with main features. Main features as below. Main features as below. Yes, first one independent platform. Yes, next one portability. Next one hoop language. So next one scalability. Next one security. Security. Okay. Yes. So that are the main features. And still some more guys in offline. 1 second. If anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin. Session start and I'm speaking here. Yes. If anyone unable to hear me, yes, this guy has to resign. Yes, Murthy 1240 something. Has to resign. This guy has to resign. This guy has to resign. Okay, this guy has to resign. Okay, has to resign. See, please, everyone, yes, attend from laptop. Laptop. Okay. Yes, mobile chance of getting voice break. Mobile chance of getting voice break. Voice break. Voice break. Chance of getting voice break. Yes. Other region. If you're getting voice break, region. Yes, getting voice break. Yes, even getting voice break, just region. Yes, region. Voice break, just region session. Region. Okay, yes. Let us continue. Yes. So these are the JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform. Next, portability. Next, OOP language, scalability, and security. This is JDK 1.0. Okay, after that, next JDK 1.1. So released in the year 1996. Next year, JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. Okay, released. Yes, released. So next version released in the year 1996. Released in the year 1996. JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. Yes, this JDK 1.1. JDK 1.1. Yes, JDK 1.1 divide into three editions. Initially only three editions. Later, fourth edition was added. Okay, JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. Initially only three editions. Later, fourth one added. First one, yes, as we discussed yesterday, yes, Java SE. Okay, calling us JTSE, J2, yes, SE, JTSE. So SE, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition here, Java Standard Edition. Yes, second one here, yes, JW, Enterprise Edition, yes, J2W, yes, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, next, third one, yes, JME, Java Mobile Edition here, JTME, calling us, yes, JTME, calling us JTME. Okay, JTME, yes, Java Mobile Edition, Java Mobile Edition here, Java Mobile Edition. Okay, next, so these are three editions initially here. JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. First one, Java Standard Edition. Second one, Java Enterprise Edition. Third one, Java Mobile Edition. Okay. Next year after JDK 1.1, next version is JDK 1.2, next 1.3, next 1.4, one by one versions here. 1.4, next 1.5, next after 1.6, next 1.7, yes, 1.8, next version 1.8. So 1.8 calling it Java 8, it's a Java 8, next Java 9, yes, next Java, yes, 9, Java 11 released here, Java 13 released. See, version wise features we'll discuss next. This is not right time to discuss. It's not right time. We are at the beginning only here. So once the course is completed, at the end you can understand very clear. Okay. See here, main focus on Java 8 and 9 features. Java 8 and 9. Now currently we are in our office, in our company we are using Java 9. Okay, Java 11 and 13 already we updated. We are ready to implement Java 11 also. Suppose any client is asking for Java 11 implementation, yes, that case we can start immediately. Okay, yes. Yes, out of this here, JDK 1.5, yes, this main version here. Yes, called as Tiger. This is called as Tiger version. This is called as Tiger version. Yes, Tiger version. Yes, major changes were done here. Major changes were happened here. Major changes were done in this version. JDK 1. Major changes. Okay, major changes. Yes, in this fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition also added here. Fourth edition. Yes, Java FX, JFX. Fourth edition. Yes. For JFX means Java FX added here. Fourth edition, Java FX added. Okay, so JDK 1.5, yes, called as Tiger version. Yes, major changes were done here. So fourth edition Java FX or Java FX, right? So finally here, Yes, Java divided into four editions. That's it. Four editions here. Four editions. So finally Java divided into four editions. So first three. These are first three. First three editions. So next FX. Next FX. Fourth one is yes Java JFX. Okay, calling us Java FX. Java FX. Sorry. Java FX. Java FX. Java FX. Java FX. And 1 second. Let me have some more. 1 second. Yes. Yeah. So finally Java divided into four editions. Yes, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition, next Java FX. Yes, out of this, yes, these two things we are using now. Okay, these things are yes, no one using. Okay, yes, these two editions we are using here. These two editions. So first one, what is Java Standard Edition? It's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. It's a Java technology. Means our syllabus this is. It's a Java technology, right? Java intervention, it's application development. Java intervention, yes, it's a application development. It's a application, yes, application development, application development, application development. Okay, yes, all frameworks come from this category here. All frameworks, intervention contains all the frameworks. So intervention, yes, it's application development part. Applications like Flipkart application, Facebook application, like this online applications. To develop such kind of online applications like company websites, e-commerce applications, all these applications. To develop applications, we can use enterprise. So after learning Java technology, next yes, you should move to enterprise. Yes, it's application development part. Yes, frameworks, all frameworks comes from this category here. All frameworks. Okay. See here markets. Yes, existing applications, existing online. Yes, 90% of 90% of yes online applications, online application, online apps were developed in Java. Developed in Java. Java using enterprise here. 90% is sorry. Yes, 90% of online applications were developed in Java. Developed in Java. Okay, that means millions of lakhs of applications. Lakhs of applications developed in Java. Lakhs of applications. Yes, to give the support for lakhs of applications. Yes, many Java resources required. We can give the support for this. Lakhs of applications developed in Java. Yes, Java resources has to give the support, right? Java resources. That's the reason there's a lot of demand for Java. Okay. Yes, frameworks means like a Spring framework, like Spring framework, Hadoop frameworks. So these are Spring frameworks are like Spring Hibernate. They're the frameworks. Spring next Hibernate next Hadoop is also part of Hadoop framework, Spark framework. These two frameworks using for the big data processing. These are for big data processing. These frameworks for the to develop the online applications like e-commerce applications, e-cart applications like this, or online banking applications like this. That is frameworks part. Let's say frameworks part. Okay. Yes. So ours is Java foundation. Our topic is Java foundation. Java foundation. Okay, Java foundation. Our parts. Okay, course I would say course Java. So Java foundation. See Java foundation. Yes, yesterday already I showed that. Yes, once again listing yesterday topic again means maybe feeling bored. Yes, once this is our yesterday topic, Java foundation. Let me copy and paste and explain. See, yesterday already very clearly explained. See, Java foundation. Yes, our syllabus. So this is our syllabus, core part of Java, compiler parts. So compiler parts. This is like Java data types, operators, and control statements. Yes, in this area we'll be discussing around 70 programs. 50 programs I'll explain 20 assignments for you. Yes, logic building. First 3 weeks for the logic building. How to improve our logics. Logic building, improving programming skills. First 3 weeks I'll take it. After finishing, starting Java OOPS features. These are the Java OOPS features. Okay. After finishing OOPS features, next these are yes real-time application development. Yes, these topics, application development topic starts here. Yes, string buffer, these things, object wrapper classes, exception handling, collections. Okay, next IO streams. Yes, is a file handling. Here we'll discuss one live projects. Live project on data processing at server side. Live project on data processing at server side we'll discuss. So next is networking. TCP and UDP applications. Next, multi-threading. Up to this our syllabus. After finishing multi-threading, final topic is version-wise features. 1.0, 1.1, 1.3, 1.5. All these version-wise features. Java 8, Java 9, Java 11, up to 13 features we'll discuss. Okay. Next, see, in SE, JDBC is also there, but JDBC is not a part of our course. It's advanced Java. JDBC in advanced Java. Yes, I'm taking advanced Java class also. After finishing core Java, you can move to advanced Java. I'm taking advanced Java classes also. Okay. Yes, next to see this. AWT applets. These are outdated. See that collections. Yes, main focus on collections. Yes, without collections, no interviews. Without collections, no interviews. Okay. Even guys who are having 10 years of experience, compulsory will ask for the collections. Getting compulsory, they will ask for the collections. Very, very important. Okay, without collections, no project. Yeah, this is my favorite topic. My favorite topic here. More focus on this because this is required in real time projects. Okay, so this is our syllabus. Okay, see, I don't want to repeat once again here. Yesterday topic, just review given here, just like a review. This is yesterday topic. Yesterday's one, right? Yes. So this is our syllabus, Java SE. SE. Our syllabus is Java SE, Java technology here. After learning Java technology here, next you have to move to application development part. That's it. Yes. Now let us start. Yes, JDK 1.0 released with main features of Java. JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. These things. Yes, let us see about. Yes, these are the main features of Java. So main features of Java. Main features of Java. They are main features of Java. Main features like independent of platform. Yes, portability, boot language, scalability, and security. These are the main features. Yes, let us start with these features here. Yes, I'm starting on this. Okay. Yes, 1 second. So one more information. Somebody is asking for this about course. See about course. 75 days duration. Someone is asking for these doubts here. Duration 75 days. Time 6 to 7:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes means including today. 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 demo classes. 6 to 7:30 p.m. Okay. Daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. just within 1 hour of finishing class, within 1 hour only here. Means by 9 p.m. Yes, by 9 p.m. you can watch it here. It can be watched for any number of times. No limits. No limits. See recordings, class document, JDK and Eclipse. This is sharing with you. I'll share you. Okay. The recordings, class documents, JDK. This recordings. Yes. How many recordings? Yes. Totally how many sessions here? Yes. Recently completed batch. See this recordings. 65 sessions. 60 Java final session here. 65 sessions. See, first 21st April started. Next 7th July started. This one. Ending date. Starting date, ending date. 21st April. Yes, next 7th July ended. This batch. 76 days. Exactly 76 days and 65 sessions. One more recently completed batch. Recently completed one more batch. Yes. Recently 6 p.m. batch. After finishing that, I have started your batch. So this is 8th August. 8th August. Okay. 71 sessions. For that batch, taken 71 sessions. Yes. So this batch almost 80 days was taken. So 5 days extended. 80 days, 71 sessions. Only 10 holidays means only Sundays holidays. Only Sunday holidays. No other holidays here. Only Sundays. In my batches, holidays very rare case. It's regular class. Regularly taking classes. No gaps, no breaks. Continuously taking classes. So this is, yes, your doubt. I think it's clear. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now let us start session. Okay. Yes. Let us start access session. Yes. Main features of Java. Let us start with features. Okay, let us start with features here. Independent platform. What is independent platform? What is portability? Next, group language, scalability, and security. Let us see about these features. Let us start. Okay. Yes. Platform means OS. Independent of OS. How Java made us independent of OS? That we should discuss. Next, portability means running on any OS. How? That we should discuss. Group language. How? See, to understand these features, to understand these features, you must have some basics knowledge. Yes, to understand all these features, to understand all these features here, you must have some knowledge like OS knowledge, like operating system. Yes, operating system. Just some idea about OS here, not complete OS here, just a little bit idea. How OS is working, how OS working here. Okay. See, Java is independent of OS. How? For that purpose, you must have knowledge of OS here. Of course, I'll explain. Yes, OS, how OS is working. Just I'll explain 10 minutes about OS here. How OS is working, OS layers. What are layers in OS? How that OS is working, I'll explain. Yes, about operating system. Okay. Next, about interpreter. Yes, about interpreter and compiler knowledge. About interpreter and compiler knowledge. Yes, you must have this about interpreter and compiler knowledge. So without this, you can't understand the Java features. To understand Java features here, what is OS? Yes, what is interpreter and compiler? Yes, apart from this, yes, what is exe file? This is important topic. About exe file, next about .class file. These things here. So next, apart from this, generation of languages. Generation of languages. Okay, generation of language. Yes, if you have this knowledge here, then easy to understand these features. Okay. So before going to these features, let us see something about this one. After finishing these basics, yes, we'll go to these features. Then easy to understand. Easy to understand here. Okay, so before going to all these features here, let us say about these basics here. Let us say about these basics. After finishing these basics, we'll go to the Java features. Let's start with the basics here. Okay, see yesterday. Yes, yesterday I promised you something like Even non-IT background guys also can understand Java. See, yesterday, yes, I told you, I'm not expecting anything from you. No expectations from you. Okay, non-IT background guys also can understand Java. Okay, my way of explanation will be like that. Okay, see here, first two, yes, yesterday, this is, yes. So first 3 weeks, logic building, that is like a C programming. It's like a C programming, logical building, how to build your logics, how to improve your programming skills. Okay, yes, starting from very basics. I'm starting from very basics. Non-IT background guys also can understand. Non-IT background guys. Non-IT background guys also can understand here. Not all non-IT background guys can. Already who learned C language, for them must these basics required. Who learned C language here? Even they also they know about what is OS, how it's working, what is interpreter, what is compiler, what is exe file, what is .NET file. Yeah, these are basics. Okay, there are some unknown facts. In basics also there are some unknown facts. Unknown facts. Okay. Yes. Let us start from very basics here. I'm starting from very basics. Starting from very basics here. Okay. Yes. See. Starting from very basics. Yes. Computerware. Computerware. See computerware. Computerware. Basically two categories. First one, hardware. Second one, software. Hardware and software, right? Hardware and software. Hardware and software. Yes, hardware means they are hardware components like keyboards, mouse, monitor, hard disk, motherboard, processor, all the hardware components. We can touch all these parts. But this is not our topic. Our topic is software. We are software engineers. We are not a hardware. So we are the software. Our role is software role. So let us start with software. See, computerware, there is a hardware and software. Yes, ours is software. Our role is software. We are a software engineers. We are a software engineers. Yes, our role is software. So what is software? Okay, what is software? Let us start from the basics here. Yes, even non-IT. Yes, I'm considering non-IT background case also. Okay, to understand very easily here. To understand very easily, I'm starting from very basics. Yes, don't worry. Even you are a mechanical background. Okay. Yes, every day recordings will be sending. See, yesterday recording already saved. Yesterday recording. Yesterday only introduction here. Yes, yesterday. See, yesterday recording already saved. It is there and right. Yes, I'll share it every day. Yes, after finishing class within 1 hour, I'll share with you. Yesterday recording already saved. I'll send you. Okay. Yes. Yes, today after finishing class, I'll share with you. Today after finishing class, I'll share your Gmail, your registered Gmail IDs. Yes, in GoToMeeting, you have registered, right? That Gmail ID. I'll be using that Gmail ID. I'll share to that. Okay. Yes. Our topic is software. So let us start with software here. Software. Okay. Yes. What is software? Software. Yes, in software, everything is program. Everything is a program. Yes, everything is a program here. So everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It's a collection. It's a collection. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs like C, yes, C, next C++, yes, maybe Java, others like this. It's a collection of programs. What is software? In software, everything is a program. Everything is a program. Everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs like C, C++, Java, and others. Okay. Yes, here software. Software. This is basically two categories. Software basically two categories. Basically two categories. Two categories. Software basically two categories. First one, yes, system software. System software. First one system software. Second one, yes, application software. Second one, application software. Okay, so software basically two categories. Software basically two categories. First one system software, next is application software. Okay, see computerware basically two categories, hardware and software. Software, in software everything is a program. Yes, like it's a collection of programs like C, C++, Java and others. Software basically two categories. First one system software, next is application software. Java comes under applications. Java is application software. Java is application software, means our part is application software. Just before going to application software, let us see something about system software. System software. So what is system software? What is system software? See, these are unknown facts. Okay, these basics. See, some guys having 10 years of experience, even they don't know about these basics here. The basics. Everything you must have that knowledge here. Everyone must have this kind of even basics also. Okay, every question you have to answer. So what is system software? System software, yes, it interacts. Yes, it interacts with hardware components. It interacts with the hardware components. Yes, interacts with the hardware components. What is system software? It interacts with hardware components. It interacts with hardware components. Yes, examples. Operating systems. Yes, operating. Yes, examples. Yes, ways, right? You are right. Bharat, you are right. Operating systems, and device drivers. Device drivers comes in this category. Okay, system software, it interacts with hardware components. Yes, operating systems and device drivers comes in this category here. Device drivers. Yes. Right. Okay. Yes. Next, what is application software? System software. This one interacts with hardware components. Interacting with hardware components. Example: OS and device drivers. OS means like Windows OS, Linux OS, Unix OS. These are operating systems. These are system softwares. Okay. Yes. Next, application software. What is application software? Application software. See, this is for the purpose of application development. For the purpose of application development. For the purpose of application. Okay. Yes. For the purpose of application development. Application software for the purpose of application development. Applications, apps. See, in our daily life, we are using many applications. Yes, guys. Anyone can you give some examples of applications? What are the applications you are using? What are the applications you are using? Yes, WhatsApp. Yes. Let's take example WhatsApp. Next, yeah, Facebook, WhatsApp, Facebook. Yes, Twitter. These applications. Twitter. Okay, next Flipkart, online shopping application. Okay, go to meeting, go to training. Okay, yes, all the online applications. Yes, online shopping applications. Yes, all the applications here. These are applications here. Okay. Yes, sir. Once, yeah, Zoom meeting, go to meeting, go to training. 1 second. Today, new guys. Yesterday, already introduction given. See, yesterday, about codes. See, yesterday's topic. Yes, yesterday, nothing discussed. Don't worry. Yesterday, nothing discussed here. Yesterday, nothing discussed. Just about me, about codes, prerequisite to learn Java. What are the codes contents? This was the topic yesterday. These are topic yesterday. About me, introduced. About me, introduced here. Yes, next. About codes, introduced. 75 days codes. Monday to Saturday classes. Or yes, you can attend next 3 demo classes. Today plus next 2 more classes you can attend, no problem. For you, daily recordings will be shared. Yes, daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID within 1 hour of finishing class. Yes, even today, first day, don't worry. Don't worry. Here, yesterday, just one introduction here. Okay. Yes, recordings, class documents. Next, software providing recordings. Around 65 to 70 recordings. Say 65 to 70 recordings here. Daily recordings. Everyday sharing within 1 hour of finishing class. Next, when come to document here, is your Java documents. This is Java documents. Yes, recently updated document. 9 September updated this documents. Recently updated documents. This is. So these documents, yes, around 590 page document. I think this is 590 or 530 pages. 1 second. So this is complete document here. This document for you is 536 page document. 536 page documents. So this is class document. See today topic. See introduction to software. Yes, software is a collection of programs like this. System software applications today topic here. Okay, today topic. Yes. Everything prepared in documents. Don't worry, guys. Running notes is not necessary. Running notes is not necessary here. Try to understand classes. Try to watch the class very clearly here. Try to understand it. Don't deviate your time in writing notes. Don't deviate your time in writing notes. Try to understand classes very clearly. I'll explain very clearly. My classes are like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand. Everyone is understanding here. So don't worry. So nothing discussed yesterday. Nothing, just only introduction to Java. Just only course contents discussed. Today actual class started. Today actual class started. Okay, started from the beginning. Computer aware. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. Yes, hardware, next software. Yes, we are the software engineers. So started with software. In software, everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs like C, C++, Java. See, I don't want to drag the classes. So I entered into subject today. Okay, maybe most of the trainers, 2 to 3 days, they are dragging classes. First 2 to 3 days, they will drag the classes here. No, I didn't want to drag my classes here. Okay, point to point, very clearly explaining here. So I don't want to waste your time and my time also. Without wasting time. So I don't want to drag the classes. Okay. Most of the trainers, they will drag the classes for 15 days. They wanted to form the batch. They wanted to form the batch. For that purpose, they will drag the classes. No. Generally, my batches, initially itself, minimum 25 members will be joined. Minimum 25, later adding. Okay, minimum 25 members are there in our batch. Okay. See current running batches. See current running. Yes, for Java 8:30 a.m. Recently started this 8:30 a.m. batch. Recently started. Yes, 29 participants are there. Yes, recently started that batch. Recently started. 29 members around. 1 second. One second. Yes. This batch, that communication, the group communication, even forever batch are already group created. Yes, 8:30 a.m. Yes, 29 members are there. Next. Yes, next one more. Yes, recently completed batch. This is. Yes, 27 participants. Recently completed batch. This is. Okay. Next, your batch, 6 p.m. Here this is. 6 p.m. already batch created, group created for your batch. Okay, I think around 10 participants they submitted their details. Okay, see, I will not track the classes, no tracking. Initially itself my batch will be forming. Yes, I have that name in the market. Okay. Yes. So here application software. Yes, application. See, system software. Yes, 1 second. Yes, our topic is software. We are software engineers. In software, everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs. Software basically two categories: system software, next application software. System software, it interacts with hardware components. It interacts with hardware components. Example, operating systems and device drivers comes on this category. Okay. Yes, application software. Application software, this is for the purpose of application development. For the purpose of application development here. Applications, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and all these applications, right? To develop this kind of application, we need some application software. Example. Yes, example. Best example, Java. Java is a mostly used application software. In all the technologies here, Java is a mostly used application software. Java. Yes, next C language. C is application software. Yes, C++. Next .NET. Next Python. Okay, next Hadoop databases. They're application softwares. See, many application softwares. See here, in software field we have many technologies. In software field, many technologies. Yes, daily new technology is coming here. So which is application software exactly here? Exactly which is application software? See, here in software we have languages. There are some languages. Next, there are some tools and packages. Languages and tools and packages. Languages. Okay. There are some languages. There are some tools. There are some packages. All these are application softwares. Okay. Languages. Languages like a C language, C++, Java, next Python, HTML, PHP, Perl scripting, Linux shell scripting, like this, all the languages. Apart from the tools like different tools like testing tools like QTP, Selenium. Yes, next warehousing tools like Informatica, Ab Initio, VA tools. Next reporting tools like ClickView, Tableau. Next Hadoop related tools, big data tools. Next AWS related tools, DevOps related tools. There are many tools we are using here. Because without writing programming, using tools, we can perform all the operations very easily here. Packages like ERP packages, like SAP ERP, Oracle ERP, MS Office, all the packages, they are softwares. Simple here. Which is application software? Which one is application software? See, except OS, except operating systems. Okay. Yes, Selenium tool. Yes, Selenium is a tool. That is also a tool. Selenium tool using Java programming. Selenium tool using Java programming. Yes, except operating systems. Except operating systems. Yes, everything. Yes, everything is a application software. Except OS. Okay, except OS. Okay, except simple. Except OS. Except operating systems. Operating systems like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Unix operating system, except operating systems. Except operating systems, all are application softwares. All are application softwares. All are application softwares. All are application softwares. All are application softwares except OS. Just remember this point here. OS is a system software. See this. OS comes under system software. Okay, except OS, all are application softwares. Yes. So Java comes under application software. Java comes under application software. So this is our topic. Our topic is application software. Yes, before going to application software, let us see something about OS. This is important point for us. Yes, what is OS? About OS. About OS. Yes, to understand independent platform, Java is an independent platform. Java is independent platform, right? To understand the topic here, you must have this OS knowledge. So let us say about OS. how OS is working. When you're running Java program, how OS is behaving. Let us say about OS behavior. OS behavior. Yes, operating systems. Okay. Yes, here some question for you guys. Here some question. Very simple question. Very simple question. Yes, what is operating system? Sorry, not what is operating system. Simple question. Simple question. Can we run? Can we run any program? Any program without OS? Very simple question. Without OS. Yes, without OS. Can we run any program without OS? Say yes or no. Simple answer. Yes or no. See, simple question. Can we run? Yes. Can we run? Yes. Can we run? Can we run any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? No. Answer is no here. Answer is no. Answer is no. No, we cannot. Okay, we cannot run. Without OS, we cannot run any program here. So can we run? Can we run any program without OS? No. Answer is no. Compulsory OS required. Compulsory OS required. Without OS, we can't do anything here. So OS required. So what is OS? No. Let us see what is operating system here. What is OS? What is OS? What is your OS? What is OS here? See, this is OS, right? Windows is a OS. Windows is OS. Linux is a OS. Unix is OS. So exactly what is OS? How it's working? What is OS? So what is OS? Suppose, for example, yes, yes, your laptop. Yes, OS set of programs that manage hardware. Okay, fine, fine, good. So what is OS? Let me explain. What is OS? Let us see. Suppose your laptop. Suppose you purchase some hardware here. Hardware. Yes, laptop purchased. When you purchase laptop here, yes, they will set up that laptop vendor. They will set up the OS here, operating system. Yeah, they will set up OS and give us rights. Yes, when you purchasing laptop itself, that hardware vendor, they will set up the OS and selling rights. Okay, so hardware on top of hardware OS. So once OS setup is done, your system is ready. Once OS setup is done, your system is ready. 1 second. Yes, okay. Yes. So OS on top of hardware OS, right? Once OS setup is done, our system is ready. See, this is OS, right? Now this OS is responsible to take your request. This OS is responsible to take your request here. Okay, suppose WhatsApp. Once you click on WhatsApp here, OS is responsible. So OS is responsible to launch the WhatsApp. Suppose click on this Eclipse. When you click on this, the submit request to OS. OS is responsible. OS is responsible to launch the Eclipse. Like the different tools. Okay, OS is responsible. Okay, to process your request. Okay. Yes, here. So hardware OS. Once OS setup is done, our system is ready. Yes, after next starting your work. Suppose learning C language. For the purpose of learning C language, installing C software. Next, C++, you have to install. Suppose learning Java software you have to install. Suppose, yes, using some Hadoop, working with Hadoop, that Hadoop software has to install. Suppose using some database, that database you have to install. A database you have to install. So these are what application softwares. All softwares, all these are application. All these are application softwares. All these are application softwares. All these are application softwares. Okay, these are application softwares. C, Java, Hadoop database. All these are application softwares. These application softwares working on top of OS, right? Running on top of OS. Running on top of OS. That means OS giving platform. Just it's giving platform to run all of your programs. It's giving platform. OS giving platform, just giving platform to run all the programs. Simply we can say what is OS means. It is a platform. OS. It is a platform. Yes, it's a platform. Yes, what is OS? It's a platform. Yes, on top of it, everything is running here. It's a platform. So what is OS? It's a platform. It's a platform. Yes, where we can run all the application softwares, all the application softwares, all the application software. Okay, it's like acting like a platform, just like a platform. Okay, see in Java features, yes, independent platform, right? Platform is OS. Platform is OS. Exactly same our topic. Okay, independent platform. Yes, we'll discuss exactly what is independent platform. Java features we'll see next. Know about platform, about that platform. Okay, yes. So OS is a platform. So OS is a platform where we can run all the application softwares, all the application software. Okay, see OS not only platform care, Suppose C program delivering some output to hot C++. Suppose these programs delivering some output here. These programs delivering output here. So first of all, output goes to OS, deliver to OS. After that, then transfer to output device. Okay. See every program output delivered to OS to hardware. See here, application software directly cannot interact. No direct interaction. Okay. So no direct interaction here. No direct interaction. There is no direct interaction between application software hardware. Application software cannot interact with the hardware directly. No direct interaction. Okay. So application software data, this data output of application software simply goes to OS to hardware output devices. Suppose reading from the keyboard, yes, keyboard data goes to OS. Same process. See, keyboard data goes to OS to your C programs or Java programs. So between application software and hardware, there is a OS. Means it's acting like interface. So OS is acting like interface. Between application software and hardware components. See, not only platform, it's an interface. Yes, it is an interface. It's an interface between yes, OS is an interface between application software of this application software and this hardware layer, right? Application software layer and hardware layer. It's interface, just like a mediator. OS is like a mediator between application software and hardware components. Means interface. Exactly, you can say it's interface. It's an interface. Between application software and hardware components. Hardware components. It's the interface between application software and hardware components. Okay. 1 second. Just a minute. 1 second. Yes. 1 second. Just a minute. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes. Many are asking for this one. Yes, 8179. Yes, 189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, share your details. I'll have to group. Yes, your name. Yes, next. Your name, next WhatsApp course you are attending here. Next WhatsApp time you are attending here. Email required. Gmail ID required compulsory. Yes, to this Gmail ID, I can send today recording. Yes, yesterday's recording is not necessary, I think. Yesterday, all that interaction. Still, I will send it. Yes, yesterday's recording also I'll send it. Yesterday's and today's recording, I'll send it to Gmail ID. Share your Gmail ID. I can send today's and yesterday's recording. Both I'll send it. Okay, daily recordings. Okay. Yes, you can call on this number also. I'm using for voice calls also. Okay, I'm using for voice calls also. Okay, yes, Aniket. Okay, yes, I'm using for voice calls of the same number. You can call to this number. Any doubts are there? Maybe like personal doubts, career doubts, or your technical doubts, whatever want you can ask. No issue. I can guide you 100%. So this is 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Share your details, particularly Gmail ID requires. Gmail ID requires. Yes, I'll share. Yes, today's and yesterday's recording. Every day recording will be shared to this Gmail ID one here. You can watch from that. After finishing class, within 1 hour, sharing to this. You can watch every day. You can watch it after finishing class again and again. Any number of times you can watch. No limits. No limit. Any number of times you can watch. So I need your Gmail ID so that I can send. I need your Gmail ID. Please share your details. Your details here. This is my WhatsApp number. To this number. To this number. Just share your details. Okay. Yeah. Take this number. Yes, I'm waiting for 1 minute. Yes, I'm waiting for 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just take it. Take it. Okay. So let us continue our class. Yes. Our topic is about ways. Okay. So what is operating system? What is operating system? Okay. Yes. What is operating system? Yes, it's a platform where we can run all the application softwares. Where we can run all the application softwares. Yes, it's an interface between application software hardware components. Right. Next here, one more important point here. One more important point about OS. In OS, there is a library. This is most important point. In OS, there is a library. Here, OS library. Every OS has its own library. There is a library to communicate between application software between hardware components. IO transactions. What is library? Library is a collection of functions. C language functions. OS operating systems were developed in C language. Unix in C language. Linux in C language. Windows is in C language. It's a C language functions. Library is a collection of input-output functions to perform IO operations between application software and hardware components. So OS using libraries. OS using library to communicate between application software and hardware components. Okay. See every OS. See every OS has every OS has its own libraries libraries to communicate to communicate to communicate between yes application software and hardware components to communicate between application software and hardware components. Okay, every OS has its own libraries to communicate between application software and hardware components. Yes, one important point here. Please remember this point here. Suppose C program. Yes, to communicate with the hardware components, first of all, C program has to link with OS library. Yes, C program should link with OS library. Half linking then communicates with the hardware. Even C++ also, Java program also, even Python also. Okay. Yes, all these programs, first of all linking with OS library. See all these programs, every program, every program has to link with OS library. Of linking with OS library, then communication with hardware components. That's it. So before going to run, okay, before going to run the program, here, that has to link with OS library. Half linking with OS library, then communicates with the hardware. Suppose if it is C and C++, statically linking. Java and Python is yes, dynamic linking. Static link and dynamic link I'll explain later. What is static next? Yes, tomorrow class. Tomorrow class getting static link and dynamic link. Static link and dynamic link tomorrow I'll explain here. C and C++. Those are exe files. Statically linking. Java and Python. Here dynamically linking here. So here every program has to link with OS library. Every program has to link with OS library. So every program has to link with OS library. Yes, OS library. Yes, before going to run it here. Okay, it has to link. So every program, yes, this is, remember this point. Okay, how Java program is linking with OS library. Further, this is JVM. JVM takes care of linking Java program with OS library. So that is tomorrow topic. Tomorrow exactly the same topic we'll be discussing. Independent of platform. Java is independent of platform. That topic exactly. Okay. See, every program has to link. With OS library before going to run it. That linking may be static linking or dynamic linking. Static or dynamic linking here. Yes. Yes, your question. Other than library, what does OS consist of? Library like device drivers also. Device drivers to communicate with hardware components. Device drivers, libraries, and commands. OS commands. OS commands will be there. Library will be there. Drivers also. Next is kernel. In every OS there is a kernel part. Kernel. Kernel is a core component of OS. Kernel. There is a kernel. Kernel is a core part of OS. Kernel, library, device drivers, all of this. So this is just introduction about OS. Enough. This is enough to understand independent of platform. This topic is enough. So this is about OS. Okay. Yes. Let us go to document here. Yes. Our class document. See, in class document, same topic very clearly explained here. Yes. Today topic is software. Software is a collection of programs. Okay. Yes. Software is basically two categories. System software, next application software. System software. Yes, system software. It interacts with hardware components. Example, device drivers and operating systems. Application softwares is for the purpose of application development. Example, C, C++, Java, .NET ERP package. Except OS, except operating systems, all are application softwares. Except OS. Okay. Device drivers, these are to run the devices. Device drivers, run the devices. Okay, next OS, our topic OS, what we discussed, the same points. It's a platform, it's interface. Next, every OS has one library here. Next, every program links with OS library before we start execution. Same these points we discussed already. Okay, hardware, on top of hardware, there's a OS, on top of OS, application software. That's it. So this is just idea about OS. This is enough, more than enough. This idea is enough here. Yes, our topic is application software. Java is application software. Java is application software. So let us move to application software. Yes, let us move to application software. See, application software. Yes, application software basically two categories: front end and back end. Front end software and back end software. Front end, back end here. So what is front end? What is back end here? Front end. For example, here. Yeah, this is front end. Okay, this is front end. Here, this is yes, registration form, right? See this form taking your data. Okay, yes, fill this form, register. So this form taking your data, right? So this is interacting with you, taking the data from you. This is called a front end. So front end interact with the end users. We are the end users. We are the end users of this application. We are the end users. End users. Okay. So yes, this is called a front end. So this front end taking data from you and storing to some location. That location called back end. Back end is to store the data. Front end to collect data from users here. Collecting data. Front end interact with the end users. Front end interact with the end users. Collecting data from users and storing it to back end. Okay. Yes. So front end. These are to interact with the end users. It collects data from end users, stores in the backend. Okay, backend software. These are used to store and maintain data like databases and files. Databases and files comes in this category here. Backend to store and maintain data. Okay, so you get front end. So this is collecting data from you, storing the backend, right? Yes, that all of your data stored in backend. Yes, Durgasoft, they will take the data from the backend. They will take the data, they will do the follow-up. Who attended class? Yes, your details. Taking all of details here and they will do the follow-up. Okay. So backend is to store the data. Front end is to interact with you. Okay. So front end interacting with the end users. Front end interacts with the end users, collecting data. It collects data from users. Backend is to store the data. Okay. Java comes on the front end. Java is a front end. See, behind of this form, Java program. Actually, it's JSP page. JSP page, nothing but this Java program. So Java program taking your data means it's a front end. Java comes on the front end. Front end. So Java is a front. So let us move to front end. Our topic is front end. In front end, language and packages. Package, it's ready-made one, ready to use. No programming, nothing. No programming the package. Ready-made one, ready to use. It's ready to use. Okay, packages ready to use like MS Office, like ERP package, Tally accounting. They're the packages. Ready-made one, ready to use, no programming. Languages. Yes, here programming. Yes, we should let the coding here. So Java comes from languages. Language. So our topic is language. So let us move language. See, try to observe the way of introducing to Java. How I'm introducing to Java here. Introducing to Java. See, computer ware, hardware and software. So we are the software engineers. So started with software. In software, system software, application software. Java comes on application software. Okay. So before going to application software, little bit expand something expand about system software, then immediately move to application software. Now application software. Application software, right? Yes, in this front end, back end. Java comes on the front end here. So move to front end. In front end, languages and packages. Java is a language. Then move to language. So our topic is now languages. Languages. Yes, our topic is now languages. Okay, yes, languages. What is language? Yes, what is language? Simple question. What is language? What is language? Very simple question. What is language? What is language? Very simple question. What is language here? See, daily we are speaking many languages. We are speaking many languages like English, Hindi, maybe Telugu, yes, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, maybe Gujarati, different language we are speaking. Why? Communication purpose. Communication purpose. So what is language? Just it's a media of communication between two things. Media of communication between two things here. See, in software, come to software here. Software languages. Software languages. See, in software, see computer. Yes, computer understanding some language. Computer understanding some language. Okay, computer understanding some language. Okay, right? Some language, right? Yes, we are understanding some other language. We are understanding. Yes, we are understanding. We are understanding different language. We are understanding some different language, right? Different language. Some different language. See, computer understanding some language. We are understanding some different language. So what is computer understanding language? Computer understanding language. What is computer understanding language? What is computer understanding language here? Yes, it's a binary code. Binary code. It's a binary code. Binary code. Binary code. Yes, zeros ones format. Binary code. See, computer understandable language. Binary code. Yes. Now, present generation computer is processor-based computer. Processor-based computer. How many generation of computers? How many generation of computers? I'm not asking about languages. How many generation of computers here? How many generation of computers? Totally here. 4 generations currently here. 5th generation also coming. See, first generation vacuum tubes. Okay, vacuum tubes based here. Second generation. Okay, second generation is translator based. Second one is translator based. Third one, IC based, integrated circuits. Fourth one, processor based. Okay. Now this processor based computer understanding binary codes. Okay. So these are the different generations. Now currently we are using processor based computer here. What is next generation? 5th generation also coming shortly. Yes, anyone can you tell me? Yes, right. AI, artificial intelligence based. AI based. Next generation AI based in couple of years will be releasing the market here. Now currently we are using processor based computer. Processor based computer. Yes, 8086 processor based computer we are using now here. Currently initially vacuum tubes, next translator based, next integrated circuits based here. Now we are using processor based. Yes, processor based 8086 future AI based artificial intelligence. Okay. Yes. Once AI based computer comes, programming will be less. Yes, it will do everything automatically. Yes, AI based computer, yes, will understand automatically everything here. Much programming is not necessary. Automatically everything will identify this. Artificial intelligence based here. Yes, maybe couple of years, maybe releasing a market here. Currently almost done. Maybe couple of years will be releasing here. Okay, totally 5 generations. Now currently 4th generation, 5th generation is AI based. Okay, now current generation processor based 8086. For this language is binary codes. It's a processor based language. Okay, right? So computer understandable language, right? Binary codes. Next, we are understanding some other language, user understandable language. So user understandable. Okay. Yes, one second. As a software engineer, you must have a lot of knowledge. Maximum, I'll try to give the maximum knowledge here. What are the knowledge I have? Lot of knowledge I have. Yes, more than our expectations. My knowledge, more than our expectations, more than the industry, I have the knowledge in software field. Yes, that skills I have, experience, knowledge, and all that. Okay, dedication, 23 years of dedication in the software field. Lot of dedication. Every day, minimum 12 hours I'll work. That kind of dedication. Okay, I have a lot of knowledge. I'll deliver all the things here. Maximum I'll try to deliver. Okay. Yes. So computer understandable language, it's a binary code. Next, user understandable language. Here, this is English language. This just it's English language. Right? English language. See. Suppose Java program, for example, let us take Java program. Suppose this is some Java program. Yes, Java program like English language. It's English language. It's user understandable language. English language. Suppose C program. Suppose let us take some C program. C program. C program. Suppose this is some C program. Here this is like English. It's user understandable language. Okay, user understandable language. Okay, right? Yes, in software, languages are basically two categories. Two categories. First one, system understandable called as low level languages. Low level languages. Low level languages. Low level languages. Second one, high level. High level languages. High level languages. High level languages. Low level language. Yes, it's a system understandable language. It is a system understandable system understandable language. It's a system understandable language. It's a system understandable language. Okay. Yes, it is in the form of binary codes. It is in the form of binary codes. Binary codes like a zeros ones format. Yes, it's a processor based language. It's a processor. It is a processor. Understand. System means processor. System means a processor. System means processor. Yes, processor understandable language. Processor. Now we are using processor based computers. Yes, processor understandable language. Processor understandable language. Okay, understandable language. Okay. Yes, high level languages. These are user understandable languages. Yes, these are user understandable. User understandable. Sorry, understandable languages. User understandable languages. Yes, like English language, very easy to understand. Like English language. Like English language, very easy to understand. Low level languages and high level languages. Yes, high level language. Java program, suppose Java program, C program, or Python, all programs are like a high level languages, right? High level language. System cannot understand this high level language. These high level languages, how to convert into binary codes. High level language program. Yes, that English language program, maybe C program or Java or C++. All these programs have to convert into binary codes. Who will convert? Who will convert from high level language to binary codes? Tell me. Yes, last 5 minutes completed. It is complete last 5 minutes here. Yes, either interpreter or compiler. Either interpreter or compiler converts. Yes, converts from high level language to binary codes. Yes, every high level language instruction has to convert into binary code. Who will do that? Yes, either interpreter or compiler. Interpreter or compiler converts from high level language to binary codes. After converting into binary code, then execution, then giving result. That's it. Yes, next about interpreter and compiler we should discuss. Next our topic is about interpreter and compiler. Yes, see low level languages, low level, high level languages. Okay, yes, interpreter and compiler. Yes, very interesting topic. Yes, in this we are going to discuss about exe file. Compiler generating exe file. Interpreter don't have exe file. Does not generate exe or exe file. Exe file concept and dot class file concept. The topics. Yes, discussing. Next, what is Java? How Java is working here? Yes, is it compiler based or interpreter based? Yes, tomorrow topic. Yes, tomorrow topic is about interpreter and compiler. After finishing interpreter and compiler, so next topic is about entering into Java. How Java is working? Is it interpreter based or compiler based? Okay, after that, yes, independent of platform features that explain independent of platform. In that about exe file dot class file differences. Tomorrow topic this is. Yes, tomorrow all that features will be finishing. Once the features finished, yes, we'll go for the Java installation and Java programming. That's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, that's all for today. Yes, tomorrow same time. Yes, no change in the 6 to 7:30 always. 6 to 7:30 same link. Tomorrow also same link. No change in link here. Tomorrow also same link. Same link. Same link. Yes, till Saturday. Same link till Saturday. Same link till Saturday. Okay, no change, right? Yeah. So thank you guys. Yes, let us wind up session of today. Let us wind up session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. Yes. Have a great night. Have a great night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys.